everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mubashra and I am FLC student. I have recently passed my OET, and for that I am very thankful to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, and then I'm thankful to Sir Charlie, Miss Rouge and Sir Cass who supported me throughout this journey. And today I'm here to share my success story with all of you who are watching me and who are struggling to find mentors for their training. I would suggest you to please come and join FLC because they're having mentors who are expert in their field. They are having good trainer. Their whole team is very supportive for everyone, and they won't let you stop doing efforts, and they will push you always to work hard for your future. And they are having very flexible timings, and they are having multiple sessions every day that you can join online or physical by your own convenience. And I will highly recommend to all of you that whoever wants to do OET, they can come and join here. Thank you so much and all the best.